Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are fine and you are healthy. Okay, children, and you are at home, you are enjoying, even with the studies, even with the cartoons also. So, yesterday we have completed till here the textual exercises. Now we are going to complete the next one, the B section. Okay, the page number is 21. As you can see here, the page number is 21. Please complete this all the things and keeps in the WhatsApp group, children. I am not getting all the children's books. Okay. Now, that boy who said these words and why? Okay, that boy isn't good at games or anything. Who said these words? This is said by the Tilak. Why he was saying like this? When he was reminding about the Sudhir, and he was just saying that this boy is not good at games or anything, because Sudhir was good at studies, right? And he has a very vast collection of pets, books and other things, right? So there is a different personality between the Tilak and Sudhir. Okay, we are going to miss you. Who said these words? Yes, Tilak's friends said these words. Why they have said? Because on that time Tilak fractured his leg. So what happened? He was taking the rest at home, and when once the day the Tilak's friends came into their home and they said these words. Okay, it must be fantastic to have cheetah for a pet. Who said these words? Tilak said. Why he said these words? Because actually Tilak is a sportive nature, and everyone, like we as a human beings, we know what is the pets like, can be dogs and cats, but Sudhir have the pets of like cats, dogs, owl, baby monkey. But what he was saying, like, it will be very fantastic. It will be very fantastic if we are cheetah as a pet. It will be more fantastic. Like, he was eager to have the pet. But the thing is, we should not keep the cheetah as a pet, right? Yes, it can be dangerous and harmful for us. Yes, you must thank you for broken leg for this friendship. Who told this? Tilak's mother. Why she told? Because after the fracturing of bone of the leg, they became good friends. Who? Tilak and Sudhir. Even though they are different personalities, they get to know about each other, and they spent a lot of time with them, and they become good friends. That is the reason. And because if we are getting one good friend also, we have to thank them, right? That is the reason that Tilak's mother said these words. Okay, next one. Number these sentences in a correct order. Okay. One day Tilak fractured his leg while playing football. Sudhir started to visit Tilak every day. The first time Sudhir and Tilak met, the boys didn't talk much. Tilak felt lonely and sad. When Tilak got back on his feet, he went to Sudhir's house. Sudhir came to visit Tilak and brought a book for him. What is the first one, children? They have already given. The first time Sudhir and children met, the boys did not talk much. Next. One day Tilak fractured his leg while playing the football. Next one. Tilak felt lonely and sad. Yes. Next one. Sudhir came to visit Tilak and brought a book for him. Next, children, what is the consequence? Sudhir started to visit Tilak every day. And the last one is, when Tilak got back on his feet, he went to Sudhir's house. This how the story going on. What are the consequences? What next, and what is the end? Okay. Discuss in the class. What do you think might have happened if Sudhir have been the one to fracture his leg? Would Tilak have gone to visit him? Would the boys have become friends? Okay, Nana, please tell your opinion. If suppose now Tilak got fractured, right? If Sudhir got fractured his leg, then what can be a consequence? According to me, if the Sudhir fractured his legs, he will be sitting at home and reading the big books and playing with the pets. and he won't feel bored. And but I don't think so, like Sudhir, even Tilak can come to the Sudhir's home. Like he was busy in practice of the match only, and maybe it's very least chances to become friends, according to me. What is your opinion? Please tell me, children. Okay, you can send the audio of this opinion. Say that good morning madam, this is your name, you can say, your class you can say, and then what is your opinion on it you can say, and say this is lesson number 2 and D section, that you can say, and then you can keep your opinion. I'll listen to it. I will love to listen it. And moreover, like if you have different opinion, welcome to it. Okay children, now next one. The words in the box describe that we learn the story about each of the boys. Write them against the correct names. Yes. Sporty, kind, lonely, book lover, popular, animal lover, thoughtful, confident. Yes. Sudhir was a book lover. He was animal lover, was popular and kind. Tilak, he was sporty, he was thoughtful, he was lonely, and he was confident. Yes. Next, word-wise. E. Barton works in a game sanctuary. Where do these people work? Where the photographer works, children? Yes, that is studio. Where is the judge is working? Courtroom. Where is the usher working? That is theatre. Where is the chef is working? Yes, exactly, that is restaurant. Where is mechanic is working? That is workshop. And where the surgeon is working? Sorry, I have left this. Surgeon, that is hospital. You can match this. You can write the ABCD in between them also. Then also no problem. Keep in the WhatsApp group. Okay children? Yes, next. Sudhir monkey started chattering. Pick the correct words that describe the sounds made by these animals. Birds. Toot, twitter, tinkle. Thud. That is twitter. Next. Mice. Squeak, snore, squirt, sizzle. That is squeak. Lions. Rumble, roar, rattle, rustle. That is roar. Lions roars. Yes. Sheep. Bumble, buzz, bleat, bang. Yes, that is bleat. Okay children, now come to the next children. Spell right. You have to spell it right. Circle the correctly spelt words in these pairs. Accidentally, 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 accidentally. TLY, TALLY is there. Okay. Next. Experience, experience. No, it is experience. Business, business. This is business. No, business. Next one. Committee, committee. Double M will come, beta. Intelligence. No, intelligence. Okay, next. Position, position. Double S will come. Okay, next. Pronunciation. 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 No, pronunciation. It is pronunciation. Disappointed. Disappointed. Okay. Necessary. NEC double S will come, not double C will come. Okay. Questionnaire. In this double N will come. Questionnaire. Okay. Okay, children. Now, the dictionary check. Look at this dictionary entry for the word friend. Okay. Friend. A friend is someone you know well, but who is not related to you. Meaning. Friend. Pronunciation. Noun. Countable. A part of speech. Fifth one. Friends. Plural. I had a pleasant evening with my friend yesterday. This is the sentence. What is the noun? This is countable noun. And this is the spelling. This is the meaning. What is the meaning for this? This one. A friend is someone you know well, but is not related to you. Okay, next one. Look up these words in your dictionary and write down the details about each one. Follow the example given above. Okay. Suppose lonely is there. Then you have to take the dictionary. You have to write the spelling. Then you have to write the meaning. Then you have to write whether it's a what will be the plural. For lonely there is no plural because that is not noun, right? That is the adverb. The same as it is sanctuary. You have to write the spelling, then you have to write what is the meaning of sanctuary, and then whether it is a noun. Yes, sanctuary, sanctuaries. Okay, whether it's countable or uncountable noun, that you have to write. What is a part of the speech, that you have to write. Purged, what is this? It's a past tense or present tense, and what is the word that you have to write. Okay children, keep in the WhatsApp group children. Understand grammar. In some sentences, the verb has a subject and an object, right? To find the subject, we have to ask who or what before the verb. Sudhir visited Tilak. Who visited Tilak? Sudhir. So Sudhir is the subject. See, in a sentence, two things are available, beta. So subject and object. Okay. So who visited Sudhir visited Tilak. Sudhir is the subject. Sudhir is the subject. Okay children. To find the object, we have to ask who and what after the verb. Tilak loved football. Who loved football? Tilak loved football. What did Tilak love? Football. The football is the object. You can understand children, like Rama killed Ravana. This girl is beautiful. That you can understand by those different sentences. Okay children. Now next one, iPad. Circle the subjects, underline the objects with these sentences. See children. Circle the subject. This is subject, this is object. Subject, object. Tilak is a subject. School is the object. Next. Next children here. He is the subject. Cricket team is the object. Subject, object. Subject, object. Please underline all this. Please circle it. Subject, object. Subject, object. Here both are objects, both are subjects, and the friends are object. Understood children? Now, work in pairs. Take turns to complete these sentences about your partner by adding suitable objects. Suppose your friend is there. What's your friend name? What your partner likes, that you have to write. Suppose my partner likes more sweets. You have to write here more sweets. If my partner likes more milk, that you have to write. My partner likes fruits or ice cream. Anything you can write. Okay children, next. He or she doesn't like this. Whatever she doesn't like, suppose most of them you don't like all the vegetables, yes, and most of them you don't like the mayonnaise and all that ketchup and all that, you can write. Okay. And next, his or favorite movie. Yes, you can write your favorite movie, whether it's from Telugu, whether it's from other languages also, like Hindi, English, anything. He or she plays anything like badminton or any indoor game, any outdoor game, you have to write. He or she wants, what she wants to become, that you have to write. And what if it is a temporary goal, like he wants the phone or video game, anything, that also you can write. Okay. We enjoy what? Like we enjoy to read the books, we enjoy to have the lunch, we enjoy by playing, that all the things you can write. Okay children, this is up to you totally. Okay, next. Form two teams in a class. The teacher writes a sentence on the board. Okay. Team A changes the subject and read out the sentences. Team B changes the object, read out the sentences. Take turns to this for 10 times. Okay. I lost a pen every day. My mother lost a pen yesterday. My mother lost her keys yesterday. So this, suppose I have given this lost and yesterday, then you can write so many sentences you can create. Okay. Yes, this is the simple activity. So no problem. Next, write well. Imagine that Tilak, you have to be bed for 6 weeks. Write 5 sentences about what you will feel. Use these hints. Would you be bored or lonely, or would you enjoy staying at home? What would you spend? How would you spend your time? What would you miss about your normal routine? Yes, nowadays lockdown is going on, children. How you are spending your time, that also you can write. Even though there is not a fracture of red leg also, just you write like we are feeling safe, we have little studies, and we can watch more video games, we can watch more cartoons, and we are eating a healthy book by sitting at home. That everything you can write. Okay children? Okay, this is up to you totally, you can write children. Okay, next, last one. Take turns to say something nice about the person sitting next to you in the class. You can mention anything that you like or her him. After everyone has had a turn, have the class discussion how you felt someone praised you. Yeah, this. So always you have to praise someone. Yes, always you have to praise whatever the what you can like in that person, that you have to write. So please don't write, because every human being has its own flaws. Okay, whether it's good or bad, whatever it is. Okay, try to praise something, whether it can be anything, the smile, the way of eating, the way of dressing, the way of helping. Also you can understand this. See children, when you are getting praised, you feel good always. So if you want to be praised, then you have to praise for someone. That is compulsory. Okay children, I hope you have done all the things. I hope you have done all the things. Please complete this all the things. Page number from 21, 22 and 23 and this last 24. Please do it and post in the WhatsApp group children, so that I can check. Okay children, thank you children, bye bye.